Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you how are you going to use GCash para bayaran or to pay yung inyong Union Bank credit card bills or statements. Are you ready? Let's go. Of course, syempre dapat buksan nyo muna yung inyong GCash app. So make sure you are able to install yung GCash sa inyong mobile phone. So open it, wait it to load, and then of course you have to log in either via your code or via biometrics. Available yan as of 2024. And then after that, you go to the bill statement, credit cards. After going to credit cards, type in yung Union Bank. So, let's try to type yan, Union Bank of the Philippines. So, from there, what are you going to do next? Ilagay mo yung, as much as possible, ilagay mo muna yung amount of the bill that you're going to pay. So, medyo malaki yung babayaran ko. 52,852.15. So, make sure that this is very accurate. By the way, what are you going to do next? Ilagay mo lang yung iyong credit card number. Make sure na accurate din yan. And I would really suggest ilagay mo rin yung iyong email address and make it accurate because this will serve as your receipt. Later on, I will show to you kung ano yung actual na resibo na marireceive mo from GCash. Ito yung proof mo if ever magkaroon ng aberya. But so far, in my experience, wala naman naging problema. Okay? Bills, amount, credit card, email, then click next. After that, yan, may summary pa naman yan na makikita. So, you can double check again. Double check mo ulit kung tama lang. So, I would suggest, bayaran mo ng buo. And then from there, double check mo lang, may service fee na 10 pesos. Then, you just have to click confirm. Ipa-process lang yan. It will just be processed. And then, after that, voila, that's it. All good. So you have your credit card in Union Bank paid. So may resibo ka rin na marireceive. Maganda, i-download mo siya. I-add mo rin as a biller yung Union Bank since you're going to use GCash for future payments. So type mo lang Union Bank as the nickname or Union Bank CC credit card as the nickname. And then mag-set ka lang ng reminder every maybe 5th or kung kailan may due date mo. Maganda. Ako usually 3 days after the due date. So, since every second yung due date ko, ginawa kong 5th. So, pwede mo rin tanggalin yung amount. Okay lang yan. Optional. Then, click save. So, yan. Meron ka ng biller details. So, saan mo i-check yan? Yan. So, when you go back to the main menu or homepage, check mo lang yung bills. Click mo lang ulit yung bills. Tapos, makikita mo ba na dyan yung Union Bank. Yun, diba? So, anytime, hindi mo na kailangan gawin yun sa every detail kasi na dyan yung credit card number mo. So, yun, mas mabilis siya. Lalagay mo na lang amount, then you can do the same process every month. That's it. All good? Alright.